All right, welcome back to my channel. Good morning to you, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. I hope all is well with you. How do you do? Please make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel in case if you're new here. What we do here is to keep you updated, to keep you informed, to let you know what is going on so that you're not going to be misled by anybody. I believe that most of us are waiting and searching to understand the outcome of yesterday's court sittings, PM court, appeal court and all that. We streamed yesterday when the court was sitting, and we were able to come out with a final conclusion or something like that, although it's going to continue again today. So whichever way, we are here to give you the news out there. People are talking, people are trying to share what they know, what they think, based on the one they will prefer to share to you. But unlike them, we are here to touch everything, whether good or bad, whether you would want you were supposed to know, that you want to know rather, and the one you don't want to know, because we are here to represent the truth. So please keep your eyes on what we're going to share with you here. And I'm not here to tell you that I'm the lawyer or that I spoke with a lawyer. What I'm going to share with you is actually what people who know somebody that know people that know somebody in Finland. Not everybody in Finland know anything, yeah, but people that matters. Okay, what they said and what they what the update they brought out about this court sittings yesterday, being the 10th of August. Today's date is 11th of August 2026. So like I said, keep your eyes and make sure you like the video, subscribe to this channel in case if you are new. So what is best way to start if not from DPM handle? Let's go there. Let's go there from DPM handle, and you are going to see what she posted based on the court sittings of PM, which is day 4. Okay, 4th day of the appeal court. So, and she says something. So let's go there. Let's go there without hesitation. What you have there on your screen now, what you have here now is the write-off from DPM. I'm trying to see if I can expand it a little bit for you for a better view. Let's say, let me reshape the post and see if it will go a long way to help you to understand what has happened. I think it's not representing what I. Shall we put it this way? What do you think? Okay, let me see. Okay, I think I have another option. And this is the best option so far. So let me, yeah. What you see here is 3 hours ago. Okay, 3 hours ago, as of the time of recording the video, DPM made this publication, and it has to do with the updates from Finland. Those of you that are there, like I said, not everybody that is there in court or in Finland knows what is going on. That was why you could see people who claim to know everything. That Matanga is nowhere to be found. Matanga is this and that. La Zuba and Okwakia, their friends disunite. So they claim to have Ifai, of course, who happened to be their correspondent, even though Lazuba is there, but different disunite. I don't even trust Lazuba to that extent. So he relied on Ifai and some other people that are parading themselves as those that are very, very close to PM and all that. So, like I said, we are here to touchlight everything. August 10th, 2026, PM's court appeal day 4th, update LAHTI Finland. The appeal proceedings, he said the appeal proceedings for our Prime Minister Samanepa continue today, August 10, 2026, in LAHTI Finland. As expected, the Nigerian terrorist state presented its fabricated witnesses and false evidence using DOS and IPOB organization. Their case remains baseless and politically motivated. Call to action. The Prime Minister has requested, please pay attention, the Prime Minister, that PM Samanepa, has requested the presence and solidarity of all Biafrans in Finland. Okay, all Biafrans are hereby called to be in Finland from August 17th, 2026 onwards to support our PM Prime Minister. all USB missions worldwide are directed to send at least one representative to Finland from the 17th to stand with our PM. We are a sovereign nation and we will protect our own. We will protect our own anywhere in the world. Our PM will be vindicated, and that which he seeks, we already got. We will protect our Christian nation and people. Victory is already assured. Thank you, signed Dr. Ngozi Orabeze, Deputy Prime Minister, United States of Biafra, head of Biafran Republic government in exile and de facto. This is from DPM. This from DPM. And this is exactly what has been expected from the government, sending delegates. Do you know what it means that every license office, did she use the word license? I want to quote her the way she said it. She said, DPM, okay, and all missions, yeah, not license place, all USB missions worldwide are directed to send at least one representative from 17th. Today's date is 11. You have 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So please and please shine your eyes. A lot is going on. A lot is going on. And the pregnant of freedom pregnant, let me find if there's anything like that, meaning that the journey so far is pregnant and is about to deliver, not delivering prematurely, but the pregnancy have gotten to some, I think this is the second trimester or close to third trimester. Those of you that are, if you know about pregnancy, you understand what I mean by trimester, then is about to happen. Oh my goodness. This 17th, remember the write-off started by mentioning DOS and all that. These guys are busy looking for a way to put PM in a very tight corner. But it seems not working for them. Why will it even work in the first place? Because these guys are criminals. So some people who claim to have worked with the PM are nowhere to be found today. You see how difficult it is for a group now to even mention PM. Their mouth is somehow gumming. They can't even move that. They hardly move their tongue. They can't even pronounce PM Samoneba anymore. They have, atrocities have pushed them to mention former, have to use former or before they now mention PM's name. That is what sabotage can do to anybody. Your spirit is in trouble, physical well-being, you are struggling, and everything is not in the line with what you actually think that you are getting. Then Chomo Koma and their group are working hard also to prove a point which I don't know. Remember what happened when PM stopped them from stopping Biafran from hugging him or touching him? PM told them to, no, I'm going to hug everybody and nothing will happen. Do you understand? And those who claim to be in the front, close to PM, begin to move back. And those who they were blocking came forth. This is something that, that is, oh my God. I wish you understand what I mean by this. In this is what I'm saying is, some people spend their hard-earned money, okay, bribing and corrupting people to pave way for them to be where they think they are today. At the end of the day, by the time this screening will start, there's a screening that is about to start, people will lose a lot, and some mouth will shut down. Some hands that raise up in praises and shouting will win that. Will not even bring. They're not gonna bring their hands down. It will win. It will win that off. Let's proceed. There's other things that we need to talk about here. I don't want the video to be too long. So here, DPM talked about the, genocide going on. As you can see here, it talked about neighboring Nigerian government continues to massacre and continue to massacre and genocide. God bless the United States of Biafra, new nation. So she just highlighted that. And that is not the only thing anyway. Here, there's another post she made. which is what you are seeing here. Let me expand it as always. So this is also, she made it post when, let's capture the time. Let's capture the time. She made this one 5 hours ago. Remember the one that I just presented to you now happened to be 3 hours ago. So in interval of 2 hours, she made another update. Let's go there. Let's go there. Here she said, Finland, this is what the Nigerian government, whom you are defending whom you are defending in Finland court does on a daily, weekly basis. There is an ongoing secret war to exterminate Biafran and Christians in Nigeria. Currently, Nigeria is waging a secret war against Biafran people in our own territory. PM Simon Ekpa stands and saves the lives of his people. Nigeria is a country of particular concern, the most dangerous country for Christians to live, the worst country on planet Earth for humans to live, a country that commits Christian genocide, a country with the third most corrupt president in the world, Tinubu, a country that its major government political parties, APC and PDP, has been declared as a terrorist group by a Canadian court, a country that its police have been declared as evil and terrorists by a Canadian court, a country that disobeys court orders from Kenya, United Nations, and its own states, a country that forcefully removes innocent Biafrans from their homes at night and kills them, a country that dehumanizes Biafrans at Tiger Base and harvest their organs, a country that its politicians forcefully attack and kill Biafrans that refuse to cohabit with the integrated terrorists, a country that use other Biafran DOS and IPOB organization members to testify against Simon Ekpa and genuine freedom fighters, a country that milk the oil from Biafra land and ship it to their foreign counterparts while killing the indigenous who dare talk, while killing the indigenous who dare to talk. These are documented facts. Let Simon Ekpa go. The Christian nation of United States of Biafra has been declared. No element of Nigerian is currently welcomed in Biafra land. The United States of Biafra government will defend its people and territory. DPM Dr. Ngozi Orabeze. Now, it didn't stop there. Calm down, let's go. Calm down, because like I said, we're going to go through all these things. I don't know why my message just disappeared. Let me go back to where we stopped. I think just a moment. I'm trying to locate back the message itself. Okay, this is the one that we have just gone through now, the 5 hours ago. So let's move forward. Why there's no need to massage things here. Okay, and this man, I don't know. I don't know who he's working for. I don't know anything about him. I'm not gonna pretend I know anything. He made a post 7 hours ago, and he says, Biafran nationalist Simon Ekpa faces political persecution. He said, I currently returned from Finland. Okay, he was spotted in Finland. Yeah, this man. He said, I currently returned from Finland, where I monitored a significant case in my capacity as an independent observer. I am now sharing my findings, pay attention, with members of Congress and the American public. Simon Ekpa, an advocate of self-determination of the Igbo region of Nigeria known as Biafra and Finnish National, seeks appeal of his conviction in a Finnish court on terrorism allegation that veteran U.S. counter-terrorism prosecutors and investigators says would be thrown as hearsay in a U.S. court. They noted that the evidence of Ekpa's guilt was purely circumstantial and would never survive in an American court. However, Finnish lack of free speech protections and lower finish standard persecutes a conviction American justice would not allow. The trial court fails to produce direct and immediate evidence as to Simon Ekpa's personal involvement, providing weapons to those fighting for Biafran independence. No American court would prosecute Ekpa for what would be treated as First Amendment issue. Okay, he made his post and Biafrans have been sharing it. So, and I think I cannot understand his stand. Some people claim that David Machanga is not in Finland, right? Some say that he never done anything meaningful for PM, to save PM or to assist PM or to assist his trial. They don't want to tell you the truth. They don't want to tell you PM's involvement all this while. But we are here to go through it, okay? Because people can lie, people can, decide to do one or two things just pretending to know what they don't know. And this goes to Adada Oranjo, the criminal woman, and which of course is Sudanese woman. Recently we saw a video of an Islamic cleric claiming that Christians are infidel. You know what infidel means? People that is justifiable for Muslims to buy. That you are infidel is just like you are worthless in the Islamic religion. And that is a trading news in Nigeria. We don't talk about it because we have better things to dwell on, because this is the reason why people are even talking about the freedom, because we already know that Nigeria is set for Islamization. And it is it's just there for Islamic people to take, like they took Turkey, Lebanon, and so many other countries in the world. So it's not a new thing, but people don't want to accept this fact. But for you, those of you that questioning Matanga's involvement and effort all along, I'm gonna release this audio here. So this is Matanga interview after PM was convicted in 2025. Okay, when Chomo Koma, Breslo Koma, and Ruben Nade, of course, with Imam Madabo, claimed, of course, with Ogengre, claimed to be in charge of the court proceeding. They're blocked everywhere, and somehow PM was unable to, set the record straight. But today is no longer an issue, because people are not seeing the truth, and these guys are being exposed day by day. That's why they are fighting, a fight of a dying horse. And I want you to hear what Matanga said immediately after the conviction of PM. He condemned it and he said that it's laughable. Let's listen to just hear it from his own mouth, his words and his response. Listen.
Let's go to a court in Finland now that has sentenced a controversial leader of a Nigerian secessionist movement to 6 years in prison. What is his offense according to the law?
There is no offense. How do you look here? Madam, these people are simply saying Biafra, Nigeria is no more. And they have the right in Europe to say so. Two, Nigerian system itself has said they don't, the court relied on intelligence from Nigeria. Asanda, which Nigerian intelligence can give you the credibility? It's corrupt, underfunded, compromised by terrorists. They have recruited the terrorists in intelligence system. So the information, Finland collapsed in its all democratic format. When it is said it relied on Nigeria's intelligence information, anybody can come up and say, Asanda is doing this, that. Do you go and use that intelligence? Finland is one country that is now changing from proper democratic institutions to being corruptly entering Africa by paying huge sums to get contracts. Finland has been given contracts with Nigeria. Nigeria has given them to build dams, gas pipelines, and so many dispensaries. They are corrupt. They wanted to get this guy to appease Nigerian government. If you look at the evidence, I've read the entire evidence of how the three judges came to a conclusion. I bet if it was in South African court, it would be thrown out on the first day. There is no judgment where you say you use the intelligence, Nigerian intelligence, when Nigeria itself has terrorists, part of the intelligence system in Nigeria.
Now, let me stop it here. Did you hear that? The same thing that this white man said here, that if it were to be in America, the court will throw it, to the bin. Okay, it is very easy to say, because Finland know that the only thing they can do is to throw it to the bin. But as long as they have contracts, something interest to gain, that is where the whole thing changed. So those countries like South Africa and America, they can throw it to the bin, but not when they receive what Finland they received. The question is, will America receive something? Of course, yes. Will South Africa receive it? Of course, yes. So that's why I don't want to say, oh, South Africa is better than Finland. No, because as long as you're able to name your price, Nigeria is willing to pay you. The question is, how many countries today are going to mention their price? You can see so many will do the same. That is why you need to stand tall. You that the people are using, playing on your right, it is your duty to stand tall and maintain your stand. The moment you begin to deviate, that is where the problem starts. The man said it, and Matanga said it here, and he made this broadcast last year, not even this year, this last year broadcast. He said it before, and that which he said before is what is now playing out before everybody. So people are not getting to understand what he actually meant when he said that. Okay. Remember, I told you that we are going to touchlight other things that matters to us, and things that has to do with the update that we are here to give you, and to let you know what people are saying about the journey so far, what people have, the way people feel about the appeal trial going on as we speak. And I have updates from other group. Okay, this group that claim to be in charge of this and charge of that. So I am going to show you what they put out there, and they tagged it to Nkiru and all that. Of course, they cannot stop their stupidity until something that is going to stop them happen. So it's expected anyway. But whichever way, let us go through it. So let me use the opportunity to inform you that the barrister will be here tomorrow, being Wednesday, the 12th day of August 2026. So keep your eyes on the channel. Barrister will be here with us at 7 p.m. Biafran time. Do not miss out. It's going to be interesting. And again, if you are new to our platform, please subscribe to the channel and let me know what you think about what we do here. If you have a suggestion or something to share with us, feel free to do so. We are not here to attack anybody or to constitute nuisance. We are here actually to set the record straight, because only truth shall set us free. So let me show you. This is the post made by the Fallback Republic of Chomo Koma Group. Okay, and the one called Shakable, PUC. And the gangsters are actually doing something also to be relevant as well, like they normally do. So let's go there. And don't forget to understand what PM said. He wants Biafran's USB government to represent in Finland starting from 17th of this month. So save the date, and if you are in Europe, this is the right time for you to go to Finland. Yeah, this is the right time. Even if it's going to be 2 days, 1 day, please map out time to be there. Some of you will be afraid of what happened, when these guys were blocking this and blocking that. They did it because USB, citizens are very, very, they are professionals. Most of them, somebody who is actually, feeding well and who is living large don't struggle for food in the public, if that makes sense. So it is something that people need to understand. We need to accept the fact. So, like I said, this is the update. Okay, this is the update. He said, update from LAHTI, Finland. Day four of the appeal trial. Today's court proceedings in LAHTI, Finland have just concluded, and the Biafrans who were present were very happy with the outcome. Today marked fourth day of the appeal proceedings, which began on 5th of August 2026. The proceedings went well. The Nigerian side continued presenting its evidence, including material attributed to Twitter accounts and other sources. Okay. Our attorney, our PM, our attorney and our PM Simon and Joko presented themselves strongly. Okay, said they represented themselves strongly during today's proceeding. Therefore, if you are able to travel to Finland, especially those in Europe, to attend the proceeding, please make every effort to do so. Your presence and support will be greatly appreciated. Okay, we thank Madam Nikki, Ada Diorama, Biafrans in Finland, and our two sisters from US that are still in Finland to show support to our PM Simon Ekpa. We remain hopefully and prayerful as the appeal continues. As appeal continues, with God, we believe victory will be ours. Now let's see who actually behind the write-up. Briggy, no name. Now let me tell you what happened here. Okay, these people you are seeing here, they know what they're doing. Okay, they know what they're doing. Did you see Briggy, like DPM made his statement and let you know his title, his name, someone that behind this. What he said here is not wrong, but the idea of Biafran going there is not from him or from them. This is a genuine request that PM himself has made to United States of Biafra. That does not mean that other groups should not go. You can go. I cannot talk like Biafra Unite, who always lie that it is only them and them and them and that click. No. What I'm telling you is the authentic Biafrans, whether you are from far back or from far deep, go there. But the United States of Biafra government have already established their pattern that head of missions all over the world must send a delegate, at least one. One of our sisters reached out to me yesterday, Professor, I don't want to mention the name, but Prof. She requested that if you are in Europe and you want to go, let's say you are free, you can go, but you are not financially, buoyant, you are not financially, okay to travel, please indicate the friends are going to fund you so you can go and represent and cover what is going on and be part of it. It is just an open request. If you are willing to go, if you are free to go, you are in Europe, please indicate people are going to fund you to be there. They support you. You know what I mean? So let it be added. And that is the update. Okay? That's the update. I want you to understand that it will continue. It's not the last, it's not the end of the world. DPM says something that I want to remind you. He said that DOS and IPOB organization whom some people in Briggy who claim to be in the Briggy, Chobokoma, group of company, are working with them. Imagine that you are working with somebody who call themselves 100 men, and these 100 men are somehow supporting the evidence that have been pushed to Finland. Some may say, no, they are no longer the same. Well, Kano, you're lying. Listen, until Kano, apologize and retrieve his statement, what is sending, this guy made public request. He submitted documents for Biafrans to be arrested in Europe. He made it in the past, and all of a sudden, people who claim to have worked with the PM are now denying this. They're now sounding as if they don't know what I'm talking about. Something that happened in public is what I'm denying like this. Come on. Let Kano retrieve his statement. Let all of them that have said one or two things retrieve their statement. If they're actually calling for peace, how many of them are now in Finland? How many of them? Do you understand? Can you also go to Finland? I say will not take us anywhere. I say will not make our land to be peaceful. I say will not make anything. It's not going to help anybody. Stop it. The USB government have said something that I'd like, which of course, I hope that head of missions from different parts of the world are going to meet up to these expectations. That's because I know. That's why I said when they were trying to, stop me from touching PM, from hugging PM, I said, look at this people. How many are there? Old layers. What can they do? If United States of Biafra decide to be there in presence, if they want to be there present, you think that you will have time to even talk. No. And they will go there. Please like the video and share it to many platforms of your choice. God bless you. And my regards to all of you. God bless you. Bye-bye for now.